Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I am bringing you to my Hobby Lobby just to show you guys around. You can do a shop with me. I did one of these during Vlogmas, actually a couple of them during Vlogmas, and you guys really enjoyed them. So I'm in the car now to head into Hobby Lobby, and hopefully we can find some deals. If not, maybe they put out some new stuff. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this shop along with me, and I'll see what we can find. So it seems like all of their dies are still not in stock. These are the ones that weren't on clearance from last time. So they still have some. There's a lot of empty shelves. Hobby Lobby has some of the cutest washi tapes, but you have to make sure you don't get ones like this, which are squished. So be careful when you're picking them out that you don't get these thin ones that are super squished. It seems it only happens to the super thin ones, but there are some good rolls of these. Like these ones are perfectly fine. And these ones, but there's so many cute patterns with foil and different sizes. So I don't know if this is at every Hobby Lobby, but this used to be a lot longer. There's only 3 sections now, but this used to at least have 6 sections of wooden stamps. So now there's only 3 sections, which is kind of sad because I like wooden stamps, but it seems to be clear stamps are coming back. But this is the same amount they had last time that I was here, just this little section. So. And you can see there's some that were clearanced out or still not restocked or replaced. It seems like the planner section at my Hobby Lobby has expanded quite a bit, including some traveler's notebook stuff. But they do have some cute stamps over here, some numbers and some little sayings that go well with planners, but also scrapbooking if you're interested. Like these ones would be great for Project Life about the weather and appointments, and this one's really cute too. So check out this section if you're here. Oh, look at these traveler's notebooks. They're so beautiful. So that's their own line, the Paper Studio, but there's Webster's Pages and Simple Stories here as well, in case you're interested. Looks like we have 50% off all the paper this week, so at least that's something to look forward to if you're visiting your Hobby Lobby. We have open sheets over here, so a whole wall of those still. And we still have plenty of these paper packs from Cartabella Echo Park, all of the collections. So there's still a bunch of those if you're interested. I know some of them did go on clearance, but they still have some. And we have various 6x6 paper pads, 12x12. Seems like they still are keeping a lot of paper. So it seems like the clearance section here is quite destroyed, but there are some crafty things over here. So I'm going to have to pick up some of these. Look at there's little llamas and Christmas trees. I'm going to fill up my cart and then show you what I picked out. Got some various stamps here from the, I assume the original section. Like there's this cute dog, there's initials, Christmas, Valentine's Day, all sorts of stuff in here. They even have some of these beautiful Carpe Diem and Webster's Pages, traveler's notebooks / journals / I don't know, whatever you want to use it for, but there's this beautiful floral one too. And although my name is Gray Florals, I'm not into traveling notebooks that much, so I'm not going to buy this one, but it's a great deal if you're looking for one, so check out your local Hobby Lobby. Now that I have a pile of goodies, I'm going to go check out, and then we'll do a haul in the car. Okay guys, I'm in the car, and my total haul was $9.80. So I'm going to show you what I got, even though you saw a little bit of it in the store. I just want to show you guys what was still there that was on clearance. It might be on more clearance than it originally was. I'm not 100% sure. But I got a bunch of cute things. First off, I've got these die cuts, which are by the Paper Studio, and they're 50 cents. They're little Polaroid frames. And there are 20 in the pack. And of course, you could make these yourself or on a die cutting machine, but I don't want to do that. I don't have time for that. And I don't have a die cutting machine that cuts this, so those are really cute. They're all white, which means they're mistable or colorable. I got these die cuts, and they're called Christmas trees, but they're just pine trees. And these were 75 cents for 20, again by the Paper Studio. And then I got these die cuts, which they're called Fiesta die cuts, and I really got them for the cactuses because my boyfriend and I went to a couple of different botanical gardens that had cactuses, and I thought these would be really cute. And there's 3 of each, and these were 75 cents. I won't be using this llama or this sombrero, I don't think. So these will be in a giveaway. If you would like a llama or sombrero, be sure to subscribe because the giveaway is coming soon. Very, very soon. And then I got these wood veneer arrows, which were 75 cents. There's some hearts and there's some plain and there's some with the fancy things in the end. So those were my die cuts, pieces, things. I also got one more die cut pack, which is name brand. This is Tim Holtz, and these are the botanical layers from his Ideology collection. Now there's no pamphlet in here that tells you all the pieces, but there are 83 pieces, and for $2.50 I thought this was a great deal. You can see there's butterflies, which I love using butterflies, and although these are vintagey pieces, there's big and small ones, which I really appreciate, and I know a lot of people do, because we don't want to use just small pieces or just big pieces. We want to mix, and this is a lot of pieces for $2.50, so pretty good deal. Originally $10, which that was the most expensive thing I purchased. I found this on the back wall that I was showing you, that clearance wall, and it's opened, but I've been really enjoying using stickles lately, so I decided to pick up 2 more. I have diamond dust and one of the gold ones, not too many, that's all I have, but I picked up this 2-pack. It was a 3-pack, but someone opened it. But this is the green and red. The green is, I'm not sure where the colors are on these things. It's a red and green one. I guess I could open it since it's already opened. Cranberry and green. Well, that was easy. So I got these 2. And then lastly, we have an issue. I know I said I wasn't going to buy more washi tape, but here I am buying more washi tape. And when you see washi tape for $1, you have to buy it. That's like a rule, especially when they're a multi-pack. So these are the ones I picked up. I've been eyeing this dog one over here for so very long. I have a golden retriever at home, and although this has other dogs on it, it's super cute, so I needed to buy it. And the woof woof one, it's so cute. I thought this was an amazing deal. I love thin washi tapes more than anything in the world. So this set of 5 for $1 was not bad. And I love this yellow one and this dark blue one, which I don't have many colors of in my stash. And I saw this set, which I thought was super pretty, this robin egg blue. It looks a little greener on camera, and then this gray over here. I thought those were both very, very pretty, and I love using gray, so this is like my 2nd or 3rd gray washi tape. And since I've been using washi tape on every single layout, I thought maybe I could get a couple more. So that is everything I bought today at Hobby Lobby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you would like more shop with me videos, so vlog style videos where it's just like one little activity that we do, please let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. More process videos and project videos are coming soon, so stay tuned. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!